Good morning. It's Dina Russell, Dr. Plant, the Lazy Gardener. Today, we are going to make popcorn, and we're going to make popcorn. We're going to make it without any of the oil or butter. And you don't pop it with the oil in it because it doesn't pop as well. I'm using a silicone container and fresh corn. I'm just going to do that. This goes in. I'm opening a microwave. I'm going to tuck that right in there, and I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. There it comes. Keep it going until it's 1 second between pops. After it's more than 1 second per pop, take it out because then it's going to burn otherwise. It's getting puffy. Ooh, it smells so good. Let's check it out. It smells so good. I'm going to make a Christmas wreath and jewelry with popcorn and cranberries. Oh, it's actually beautiful. Like us, join us, follow us, and be sure to subscribe. Get notifications, you'll get more crazy, wonderful gardening fun.